Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
Brain break, two-handed chalk drawing. This brain break art activity is inspired by artist Heather Hansen. She is a fine artist based in New Orleans and Paris. Her kinetic drawings are part dance, part performance art, using her body as a drawing tool and ending up as large-scale pieces in charcoal or pastel. Go outdoors and select a safe space to create your art. Ask for permission if necessary. Suitable places for your art might be your driveway, deck, nearby park, or playground. You will also need sidewalk chalk, a beach towel, and if it's sunny out, sunglasses and a hat. You will use your body as a drawing tool, drawing with both hands simultaneously. 3 basic body poses will be your anchor points for your drawing. A kneeling pose, laying on your back, and laying on your stomach pose. Kneeling pose. Place your folded beach towel on the ground. Take a kneeling position on the towel. Stretch out your arms to either side, making sure you have enough space to draw with your arms stretched out. Choose pieces of chalk of the same color. If you don't have 2 of the same color, break one in half. With your chalk ready in hands, take a deep breath in and out. Stretch your arms and begin moving both arms in unison in a big arch back and forth. If you keep your arms completely stretched out, you're moving the chalk across, you will be able to draw symmetrical lines and shapes because your body is the anchor point. You may change up or add to your drawing by moving your towel and body to a different anchor point, or blend the colors with your hands. Keep repeating these steps as many times as you like. Laying on your back pose. Place your towel in the area of your artwork where you would like to add more. Lay down on your back on the towel. Once again, stretch out your arms and move them over your head and down towards your legs in a big arch. Repeat these movements as many times as you'd like. Once you feel completed, stand up. Look at what you have created already. What do you notice? Do you notice symmetry? Where would you like to add more lines? Laying on your stomach pose. Choose yet another anchor point. Place your towel and lay on your stomach. Change colors. Once again, move both arms in unison. Make big movements and repeat. Once you feel completed, stand up and admire your art piece. What do you notice? What might be the title of your piece? If you like, take some pictures.
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester. See you next time.